Ooh. This is also the first race with the EB410.2 Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Alright, regular Wednesday night race night, 4-wheel drive buggy. I made the A-main with the Tekno EB410.2. This will be the third time racing it. So, no changes to the car, just learning how to drive it, and on the new layout, it's running very well. So let's see how we do in the A-main race. Okay guys, here we go, 4-wheel drive A-main.
We're waiting on JK to check in.
Here we go.
We're gonna have Joe in the number 1, Darren in the 2, Sean in the 3, Brian in the 4, John in the 5, and Breen in the 6.
4-wheel drive A-main, October 28. Just got a low battery alarm on my transmitter. We'll see if we can finish this race. Yikes.
Should be good. Alright, let's go on the road. Everyone happy with the driver's stand position? Alright, so we're gonna go racing on the sound of the tone. Less than 5. Maybe a long one that time.
This is also the first race with the EB410.2
So we have Joe coming around first spot behind Brian Dara. The green button to the 4 already, or bump up. 4. 6.
Ah, dang it. Oh, did it for traffic.
Oh,
Yikes. Last.
All
right, let's see how we can wheel this point 2 to make it up to the new cars. At least that happened lap 1.
We got Brian down center straight, towards the line. We got Jared 2.
Come on! Sorry, Mark. Ooh. Oh, too aggressive of a line there. Damn, backfire.
One of our leaders, Brian, come over and step up right now. All by Joe. Uh-oh, Brian puts the pipe. Joe gets by.
Second.
3B74 on top right now.
4th. After 1 minute 50 seconds. Drivers are still in first place with a 15-lap 504.3 pace, followed by Brian with 3 minutes in place with a 15-lap 507.2 pace, followed by Tom Fraser in fifth place with a 15-lap 503.2 pace.
Top up on track right now. This Joe is 20 flat.
Ah, I saw that happening. Let's go. My chassis is confusing because it looks backwards. Whoa.
Alan Walker now comes down that center straight for 2-3. Rainbow color Tekno versus the white and red coaches. Oh, they crashed all over the 5-car.
I can't see, Joel. Yeah.
Running into that one, Derek gets by both of them. Leader's got a huge lead right now. Number 2 going down the straight right now. And 3, number 4.
This car does feel fantastic.
Flip, Brian comes right up. Oh, strong gets by Brown, going down the straight. Powerhouse. They're taking an opportunity to get some gap between 2-4. Oh, Congo takes the triple. Down the straight, powerhouse after that associated. Oh no, Congo the pipe spins out. Monster truck and roll the pipe. That gives Brian a huge gap. Now he's hunting down Jarrett. We have 30 seconds to go. Jarrett's looking like he's about straight ahead of third. Both driving brand new cars looking into the first night tonight.
Yeah, Buggy's good, man.
Enough time, Brian gets cut off. That gives Jarrett 2.
Oh, 4 and 5 were right on top of each other. The two Teknos finished right behind each other, so I did catch up, but still placed 5th.
He's dead. I understand it.
And that's a race.
All right, that's a race.
Go take that.
All right, so some of the new 74.1s beat us, but A-Main. Yeah, nice car. Alrighty guys, that was 4-wheel drive mod buggy A-Main. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.